Hello dear students, you have joined to Vision Pharmacy, and in our today's video, we are going to see classification of mixing equipments. So before we start with our today's video, please do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting updates on upcoming videos. Let's begin dear friends. So first of all, we'll be classifying mixers based on the state of matter, that is whether liquid, semi-solid or solid, as well as on operation mode, that is either batch or continuous process. So let's start with the very first one, that is liquid mixers. So in liquid mixers, for the purpose of batch mixing, impellers and jet mixers are used. So impellers use rotating blades like that as propellers, turbines, paddles, etc. to stir and mix liquids. Whereas in jet mixers, use of high-speed jet, that is air or fluid, to induce mixing by turbulence is performed. Now, when we talk about continuous process in liquid mixers, then they are of two types. That is, the first one is baffled pipes and mixing chambers. So in this process, flow through system where mixing occurs continuously as fluid passes through. Okay, so therefore it is a continuous process. Now let us talk about semi-solid mixers. So again, in semi-solid, there are two types, that is for batch and continuous. So in batch, cleaner type of mixers are used, which uses blades like that of sigma blade, planetary blade, molar blade, which mix viscous or dough-like material. Then when we talk about continuous process, so in continuous, different mills are used using mechanical force in roller or colloidal system to share and mix materials continuously, right? So therefore, roller mills and colloidal mills are used in continuous mixing of semi-solid mixers. Moving to next one, that is solid mixers. So for mixing of solid, again the batch can be categorized into three types, that is tumblers like that of twin shell, double cone, drum, cube, tetrahedral, etc. So in this, the containers rotate to mix powder through tumbling, right? Then the next one is agitator mixers. So in this, the examples are ribbon mixer, planetary mixer, neutra mixer, fluidized air, etc. So here, use of internal blades are used in order to agitate and mix the solids. Then moving to next one, that is processors. So in processors, complex mixer like that of Lodge, then Diosnab, then Graal, etc. are the various mixers which uses for complex mixers that often combine mixing with granules. Now when we talk about continuous process, then in continuous, mixers like Blendex, barrel, zig-zag, etc. are used which mix solid as they move through system without stopping. So these are the various type of mixers which are used for mixing solid, semi-solid and liquids. So in their continuous as well as in batch wise manner. So that's all students in our today's video. Thank you for watching this video till end, and please do share with your friends. Thank you.